YouTube Shorts for you. This isn't just another video format. It's your ticket to a viral channel and fat paychecks. With over 50 billion daily views, Shorts are the new addiction. Users can't get enough, and creators like you, you're in the driver's seat. The best part? The playing field is level. Whether you're a nobody or a somebody, chances of standing out skyrocket. Ready to turn your phone into a money printing machine? Stick around, because I'm about to spill all the secrets you need to succeed. Now, listen up. I'm about to hand you the keys to success, and guess what? They won't cost you a dime. That's right, we're talking zero investment, infinite potential. First up, meet your new best friend, ChatGPT. This AI powerhouse is like having a team of creative geniuses on speed dial. Need catchy titles? Done. Witty scripts? Easy. Trending topic ideas? It's got you covered. ChatGPT is your 24/7 brainstorming buddy, ready to pump out content ideas at the click of a button. But great ideas need eye-catching visual, right? Enter Canva, the design tool that'll make you look like a pro. With drag and drop simplicity and thousands of templates, you'll be crafting stunning graphics that stop scrollers in their tracks. ChatGPT and Canva are all you need to start dominating the Shorts game. No fancy equipment, no expensive software, no technical skills required, just your smartphone, these free tools, and the motivation to succeed. So while others are dropping hundreds on courses and gear, you'll be cranking out money-making content from day one. Now stay tuned, because in the next section, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these tools to start your YouTube empire. All right, it's time to pull back the curtain and reveal the magic formula. Grab a pen, because this is crucial. Step 1, idea generation with ChatGPT. Fire up ChatGPT and type in trending YouTube Shorts ideas. Boom! You've got a gold mine of potential viral hits. But don't stop there. Ask it to brainstorm niche-specific ideas, controversial takes, or mind-blowing facts. The key is to find that sweet spot between what's trending and what's uniquely you. Step 2, crafting killer scripts. Now, let ChatGPT flex its muscle. Feed it a prompt like write a 60-second script about an idea. Watch as it spits out a ready-to-go script that hooks viewers from the first second. Not quite perfect? No worries. Ask ChatGPT to revise it, making it punchier, funnier, or more dramatic. Remember, in the world of Shorts, every word counts. Step 3, visual magic with Canva. This is where your Shorts come to life. Open Canva and choose a vertical template. Don't sweat the design. Canva's got your back with pre-made layouts that look professional. Now, let's get creative. Add bold text that pops, eye-catching graphics, and maybe a bit of animation. The goal? Make thumbs stop scrolling. And if you are having trouble coming up with ideas, simply ask ChatGPT if it has any picture or video ideas relating to your script. Step 4, bringing it all together. Here's where the magic happens. Take your script and your visuals and combine them into a 60-second masterpiece. Use your smartphone to record any voiceover or on-camera bits. Don't have the voice of Morgan Freeman? No problem. ChatGPT can help you tweak the script to play to your strengths. Don't want your voice on the internet? Not a problem. Use 11 Labs or DupeDub to record an AI voiceover. But here's the secret yet often overlooked ingredient: pacing. Your short needs to move fast, like a roller coaster for the mind. Hook them in the first 3 seconds, hit them with value, and leave them wanting more. Now, before you rush off to create your first short, let me drop some truth. This process gets faster and easier every time you do it. Your first short might take an hour. Your 10th, maybe 15 minutes. Before you know it, you'll be pumping out viral hits in minutes. And here's the best part. While other creators are slaving over long-form videos, you'll be flooding the Shorts feed with your bite-sized brilliance. More content means more chances to go viral, more followers, and yes, more cold, hard cash. So, are you ready to turn this simple process into a profitable business? Stick around, because next, I'm going to show you how to turbocharge your Shorts for maximum profit. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Here's the inside scoop. But before we go into that, let's take a quick break to talk about TubeMagic.
If you give me just 15 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your YouTube videos in a matter of seconds using a specific AI tool. If we go to the tool and click this section called Warp Upload, then we can paste in a video URL of one of our unlisted videos before we upload it. After that, we just click this button right here. And then what this tool is going to do is scan through the video and what is said in the video, and then craft the perfect titles, description, and tags, and you can literally just copy paste this into your videos and you're ready to go. Now the tool is called a TubeMagic, and it will also write your scripts. It has script templates for how-to scripts, script outlines, YouTube Shorts scripts, and it'll also help you come up with great video ideas and a bunch of other awesome things. And all of these successful YouTubers right here are using TubeMagic as their secret tool for growing on YouTube. And I'd love to invite you to get access to TubeMagic with a special deal going on right now. Just click anywhere on this ad and you can sign up with our special early bird deal before we do eventually raise the price. We've initially launched this with a small group of big YouTubers. We've dialed the tools in, connecting with the YouTube API and other content generation tools, and we've created the best suite of AI tools for growing on YouTube that exists. My name is Matt Parr, by the way, and I run the Make Money Matt channel on YouTube, and I also run a bunch of faceless channels that have helped me get play buttons just like these. And I'm using TubeMagic to help speed up the process with running all of my different channels and cut down on freelancer costs. Imagine, for example, that you didn't have to hire a scriptwriter. You didn't have to spend hours upon hours writing your own scripts, optimizing your videos, and everything that goes into running a YouTube channel. And now with TubeMagic, that's all possible. It will literally do it all for you. Feel free to click on this ad, check it out. I can't wait to see you inside. You're going to absolutely love it, and you will wonder what you ever did without it. Now, TubeMagic does cost a monthly subscription to use, but think about it like this. If this saved you from hiring someone to write a script or spending hours upon hours writing your own scripts, and if you compare this against optimizing your own videos and spending hours of your time or hiring people to manage your channels for you, this will save you thousands upon thousands of dollars, and we only charge a low monthly fee. So if you want to get started with this early bird special, now is the best time to get in on the ground floor of TubeMagic, and now is the best time to get started using the best suite of AI tools out there. I can't wait to see you inside. Nice to meet you if this is our first time meeting, and hopefully I'll see you there.
Personally, I love TubeMagic. I have been following Matt for about a year now and bought TubeMagic the day it came out and never went back. It has so many great features and has helped me produce videos like this one. With even more features coming out and older features being updated, there is so much value in TubeMagic and so much more to come. It truly is a great resource, and if you are interested in signing up, check the link in description. Now back to the video. First, consistency is king. Pump out content like your bank account depends on it, because it does. I'm talking daily uploads, no excuses. The algorithm loves a hustler. Next, ride those trends like a pro surfer. Use ChatGPT to find out what's hot, then put your unique spin on it. Be the first to jump on a trend and watch your views explode. But here's the real secret sauce: engagement. Treat your comments section like a gold mine. Respond, ask questions, stir up debates. The more chatter, the more the algorithm pushes your content. Remember, every short is a potential viral hit, so bring your A game every time. Because in this game, the next upload could be your ticket to the big leagues. Hungry for more? Stick around. I'm about to reveal how to turn those views into cold hard cash. All right, let's talk money. You've got the views, now it's time to make it rain. First up, the YouTube Shorts Fund. We're talking a $100 million pot, waiting for creators like you to dip into. Hit those view benchmarks, and you could be looking at monthly payouts. Easy money. But that's just the appetizers. The real feast? Brand deals. Once you've built a following, companies will be begging to throw cash at you for a mention, and with your AI-powered content machine, you can pump out sponsored shorts like nobody's business. Don't forget affiliate marketing. Sprinkle those affiliate links in your descriptions. With every click, every purchase, you're making money while you sleep. Here's the best part. These strategies compound. More views lead to more deals, more affiliates, more everything. It's a snowball effect, and you're at the top of the mountain. Ready to turn this side hustle into your own online business and make millions? Stay tuned, because I'm about to show you how to scale this operation to the moon. Now, let's shift gears and talk about turning this side gig into an empire. You've got the formula, you're seeing the cash flow, but why stop there? Here's where it gets juicy: reinvestment. Take those early earnings and pump them back into your operation. Upgrade to premium AI tools that'll supercharge your content creation. We're talking next level graphics, mind-blowing effects, and scripts that'll make Hollywood jealous. But the real game changer? Outsourcing. Hire a team of hungry creators to multiply your output. Suddenly, you're not just a creator, you're a content genuist. Imagine this: while you sleep, your AI-powered team is pumping out dozens of potential viral hits. You wake up to a flood of notifications, views, subscribers, and most importantly, dollar signs. This isn't just a side hustle anymore. It's a full-blown business, and you're the boss. Ready to take it to the next level? Start now. All right, let's wrap this up. You've got the blueprint for a zero-cost, high-profit side hustle that could explode into your main gig. AI-powered content creation, trending topics, and smart monetization. It's all at your fingertips. Remember, this isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about building an empire, one short at a time. The tools are free, the potential is limitless, and the time to start is now. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Put this knowledge into action. Create your first AI-generated short today. Then come back and drop a comment. I want to hear about your wins, your challenges, your questions. Hit that subscribe button if you're hungry for more money-making secrets. Trust me, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Together, we're going to turn your channel into a cash-generating powerhouse. Now go out there and start creating. Your financial freedom is just one viral short away.